Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're not just going to run through some boring list of keyboard shortcuts. Nope, we're going to unlock a toolkit that will make you faster, smarter, and way more efficient on your computer. So let me ask you something. Are you tired of losing time to just endless mouse clicks? You know, all that dragging, dropping, hunting through menus? It really adds up, doesn't it? Well, in the next few minutes, you'll learn how to take back control with just a few keystrokes, and it'll completely transform how you work. All right, let's get started. We'll begin with the absolute essentials. These are the building blocks that every single power user knows by heart. Think of these as your daily drivers. First up, Control-Alt-A. Think of this as your digital lasso. Instead of that tedious clicking and dragging, one simple command grabs every single piece of text on a page or every file in a folder. It's instant, total selection. Next, Control+B for bold. This is your go-to for making key points just pop. Whether you're creating a report or just an email, it's the fastest way to draw the reader's eye exactly where you want it. And now for the legendary duo that probably runs the entire internet, Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste. And this isn't just about text, okay? It's the fundamental way you duplicate anything, a paragraph, an image, a whole folder, saving you from ever having to recreate work from scratch. Okay, now here's where things get really interesting. Some shortcuts are like chameleons. Their function changes based on the program you're in. Let's look at our first multi-tool, Control+D. Just look at how this thing adapts. In your File Explorer, boom, it's a delete command. But jump into Microsoft Word, and suddenly it's a design tool that opens up your font options. Then, over in Excel, it becomes this massive time saver, instantly filling cells with data from above. So one shortcut, 3 completely different jobs.
And it's a similar story with Control+E. It's another one of these shapeshifters. In a word processor, it's for simple alignment, but in a spreadsheet program like Excel, well, it has the touch of magic.
And this illustrates its power perfectly. In Word, sure, it's a simple formatting tool. It'll center your text. But in Excel, it's practically a mind reader. It activates flash fill, which is smart enough to see a pattern, like maybe you're separating first names from full names, and it just finishes the job for you, instantly. That is a huge productivity boost. All right, with the basics down, let's level up. We're now moving into the shortcuts that'll help you find, change, and connect your content like a pro.
Seriously, stop wasting time scanning long documents. Use Control+F. Just think F for find to instantly jump to any word or phrase. And if you need to update that term everywhere it appears, just hit Control+H to replace it all in one go. This can save you hours on a big project.
For a different kind of emphasis, you've got Control+I for italics. It's perfect for things like book titles, foreign words, or just adding a subtle, stylish slant to a phrase. You ever wonder how books get those really clean, sharp edges on both sides of a paragraph? That's Control+J for justify. It transforms a messy, ragged right edge into a perfectly aligned block of text. It instantly gives your documents a crisp, really professional look. So, to connect your work and build bridges between your ideas, you gotta use Control+K to insert a hyperlink. This is an incredibly powerful tool that turns any word or phrase into a clickable gateway to a web page, another file, or even a different spot in the same document. Okay, let's shift our focus a little bit. We've talked about editing text. Now let's talk about managing the documents themselves. These next commands are all about control. You can easily control your paragraph layout with these two. Use Control+M to increase the indent, pushing text away from the margin for quotes or lists. And if you go too far or just want to reset everything, Control+Q is your instant back to default button. Here are 4 of the most fundamental file commands you will ever use. Control+N for a new file, Control+O to open an existing one, Control+P to print, and the incredibly important Control+S to save. You have to make hitting Control+S a constant habit. Always be saving. We're in the home stretch now, so let's finish up with some advanced formatting and the 2 most important oops buttons you'll ever need. Simple, classic, and it's always effective. Control+U gives you a quick way to underline text. When bold or italics aren't quite right, the underline makes sure your point absolutely can't be missed. Now, unlike copy, Control+X is for moving things. It cuts the selection from its original spot. Think of it like you're picking something up, so you can then use Control+V to paste it somewhere entirely new. It's not duplicating, it's relocating. And finally, the 2 commands that will save you more times than you can count. Made a mistake? Control-Z is your magic undo button, instantly reversing your last action. But if you undo by accident, Control-Y will redo it for you. Together, these 2 give you the freedom to experiment without fear. So after all that, what's the crucial takeaway? If you only commit 5 of these to muscle memory, make it these. Select all, copy and paste, find, save, and the all-important undo. Mastering just these 5 will fundamentally change how you interact with your computer, saving you clicks and time every single day.
Look, mastering these is a journey of small steps, not some giant leap. So think about your daily workflow. What's that one repetitive task you do all the time? Now, decide, which one of these powerful shortcuts are you going to put into practice first, starting today?